camera servers and so forth. Good morning, I'm Grayson Evans, President of the Training Department.
And I'm Rich Green. Welcome to our home network structured cabling training course.
Now, Rich is the owner and president of Rich Green, Inc., a custom electronics and design company in Palo Alto, California. Now, Rich has over 26 years experience in the residential custom electronics and design business, and he's a longtime CEDIA instructor.
We're just completing the testing of the data network we installed in this 4,100 square foot custom home in beautiful Tucson, Arizona.
Now, it's all part of the overall home network systems, which includes security, voice and data, distributed audio, and broadband RF.
We also installed a home control system integrated with the data network and tied to broadband internet access.
Now, it all started over 4 months ago, back in January.
Right, when this place was just studs, nails, glue, and concrete slabs.
Well, Rich, what do you think?
Well, I think that covers it. With all the planning we've done, this should go very smoothly.
Well, I hope so, since how to make a home network installation project go smoothly is the purpose of this course.
And we're going to go through it step by step, from planning through trim out, in 4 major parts.
Part 1 covers the basic principles of residential networks, including the network requirements, systems, and components. In Part 2, we cover the planning and design phase for each network type for a variety of applications. In Part 3, we'll take you through the pre-wire installation of a full structured cabling system in our demonstration home. And in Part 4, we'll perform the trim out, configuration, and testing of the system.
We're going to get started by covering the basics of home networking and structured cable systems. It's absolutely essential that you understand how these networks work before you design and install them. But I'm going to let you do that because I still have to go get the cable and the rough-in hardware.
Right. And lunch.
Yeah, pizza.
What else?
Tequila?
That would be a big plus. Hey, put some anchovies on that too.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you back here later. Now, to help cover network fundamentals, we're also going to be using some of the best material and co-hosts from our other courses, including Dan Gregory from our Do-It-Yourself series and Frank White from our Broadband RF course.